This is a quick sneak peek of the upcoming product from SiteKrafter for Divi 5. Imagine you want to build a website and you want it to just be quick. Now, I was able to put this together in a very short time. Now, this is using a product that I'm putting together called Super Modules. Now, let me show you how this works. So we are going to come over here and clear this complete page here by just deleting all these sections. So how this works is we have a library of super modules. So how this works is you'd come over here, click on this plus button, add your single column. So let's say you want to add a hero area. So you'd come over here and you can just drill down into exactly what you want to choose. So in this case, I want to add, let's say, a heading. Okay, so now you can see I have SK heading over here. If I click on that, I can do a quick demo here to just see what it looks like, or I'm just going to go in and just say use this module. So with that, now you can see I have a design already put in. All I have to do now is to redo my text over here, redirect my button and add my image. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use an image that's already in my media library. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. Boom, that's done. Next, I am going to just make sure that my rows here have the right settings. I'm going to come to design, sizing, and then I'm just going to make sure that this is set to 1, just to remove that extra padding that we get with our modules. All right, so now with that, pretty much it's done. Now let's move on to the next section. So to move to the next section, I'm just going to come over here, click on this plus button here. Again, I'm going to go regular, single column. So again, I'm going to add from the library. So this time I want to add some features. So I'm going to select that and use this module. And just like that, I'm having pretty much a layout that is coming together as quickly as possible. Now, let's say you want to change the background of this main hero area here. You just click on that and add your background. So let's say we're going to go with this extremely dark color here. That's it. It's done. Right? And then on the bottom here, you may be wondering, okay, so how does this work? Well, everything is going to be responsive. Now take a look at this. Let's say you want to add a few more features. Perhaps you maybe have 4. If you do that, just like that, everything has been adjusted. You don't have to go in and make any extra changes to this. Everything just works. Now I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to come over here, go to my design tab, sizing, and then I'm just going to make sure that I don't have any extra spacing over here. All right, so with that now, let's say perhaps you are building a totally different website, but this time it's going to need, let's say, 8 features. So all you have to do is to just duplicate this 8 times, and now you have them all in place. Now, what is really awesome here is, let me just do a quick save here and see what happens. If I save this and do a preview, you're going to notice that I have not gone in and made any changes to my responsive edits. Everything here is going to be super responsive. Now take a look at this. I'm on the page now. I'm going to right click and inspect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce the size of this screen. Now look at that. Do you see how these features here are just snapping into place? Boom. Do you see that? No need to go and fix anything. Now we have 2. Now we have 1. Look at that. So as you can see, everything here is responsive. You don't need to go in and fix anything. And we are going to have a massive library of all these super modules. Now this is going to, pretty much save you a lot of time when it comes to designing your websites. Now, I know you're probably asking, so how much is this going to cost? If you're a lifetime member, this is going to be 100% free. 100% free for lifetime members. So if you've purchased SiteKrafter, you're going to get this product absolutely free. I'm going to have hundreds of these super modules, which will make it easier for you to design your websites really fast. I mean, as I've shown you here, you can literally design a website in a very short time. You don't have to go in and start messing around with all these modules and then start messing around with all the sizing and spacing. Everything just works. So the link to SiteKrafter Pro is in the video description below. Go ahead, purchase that. And like I said, you will definitely get this product also absolutely free. I'm going to have also tutorials to show you exactly how to use this. So we are going to build a library of all these amazing layouts, and this is going to be really, really cool. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.